In this video I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a great word processing software, so Microsoft Word is more easy to use. So I'm going to show you how you can use it too. So first of all, we need to go on Word, press on it, and as you can see, there is a blank document. Word is mostly used for documents, reports, essays, or letters. If you want to write something or a book or something else, we can use Word. So Word, we have a blank document here, and there's also different type of template you can choose to make it more fancy and more appealing for the viewer. So for me, I'm going to use a blank document to show you more. So when you have a blank page, first of all, you can write anything if you want. I'm going to write hi, my name is Noor, and if you want to go down, it's easy. You just press enter and it's going to go down, like my surname is Joe. Easy and very simple. And if I want to make it bold, you just select the word that you want to be bold. Like if I want to put Noor bold, I just select it like this and just bold. Now this is bold. Yeah, I want to put the whole sentence bold. We just select it all and just press bold. Easy, very simple. And now there are many options if you want. Like I can just put it in italic and it's going to be italic, and I can underline if you want. And as I'm still here, if you want to highlight it, we can just highlight it like this is. And there is more option. There is different option. You can choose it right here. Just if I don't like the color yellow, so I'm going to put it green. Boom. Boom. Voila. Here. Very easy. Now now I'm going to show you how you can put a header. So a header is important to have in a document. So now I'm going to show you how you can put a header. So you can see up here there is normal, no spacing, heading. Heading is the head of the document. So we can select this here, and we can see different heading. And if you want to change, let's put this is title. Let's put this a heading. This is my heading. I can choose it. I can change it if I want. I just click and modify. And now this is everything. If you want to modify your header, so I can just put it heading 1. The color I can change it to if I want red. Now as you can see, it will be red. Okay, see, now the header is red. So every time you going to start something or a new title, you can use a new heading. And if you want, we can just put this as second heading. This is the first heading, and I can put this to be my second heading. As you can see, heading 2. This is my first heading, and this is my second heading. And now I'm going to show you how you can undo and redo things. So as you can see, I don't like the second heading. Like I don't want this second heading, so I can redo it just by going up here. We can redo mistakes if you have done. Just by pressing it, I undo it. This is redo, this is undo. Now I'm going to show you how this is how I put my heading in the middle. So I press on it. Let me just press it. As you can see, this is on the left side. If I want it in the middle, I can press center here. Press center here will make your word in the middle, and then you can continue down here. And now if I want to change my font, so I don't really like this font right now. So if I want to change my font, I can go up here. This will make you change your font. So you click here on the arrow here, you can see all types of font. So let's take an example of let's take Century School Book. So this will be this. I change the font, so now you will see how it is now. Hi, my name is. Now as you can see, I changed the font and it is more stylish. And if you want to make a part of the word another font, you can just select the word and just change it like this by pressing the arrow and just change the font. To change the size of your text, you can just if you want this to be bigger, you can just select on the sentence and press the arrow here or up there. It's on you, you can choose whatever you want. So we can press the arrow here and change the size if you want, any size you want. And if you can just custom your size. Let's just put it 10. Now the size is smaller. If I put it 20, the size is bigger. And also if you want only a word to be bigger, you can just select on the word and just change the size if you want. Now the size has changed, but the sentence is remains the same. And now I'm going to show you some cool thing that Word give you. It can correct you if you have some grammar issues or misspelling issues. So I'm going to show you a small example of what I'm saying. So let's say let's make an error here. I am going to the shop. As you can see, Word give you your grammar problem. If you have some grammar issues, Word can just show you where you have done some error. It can change it to you. Like I'm going to click on it. See, I'm going, and it give you multiple options if you didn't mean to say going, like gain or go. But for me, it's going. I'm going to the shop, to the ship. You can see I have some pages down there. So how did I do that? So if you want more page down, you can either so you come to insert here, you either blank page. If you press blank page, you will get a new blank page. So if you want, you can do also break page also give you a new page to start. Now if you're writing a document or a book, you need to have some page number. So as you can see up here in insert, you can see that there is page number. So you can add number in your documents, or if you're writing a book, you can put it in the page number here. So you can just choose a different option. It gives you different option. I'm going to choose the first one. As you can see, the page is right here. This is the header. You got the little text that I wrote earlier, and then you got the page number down here to the left. 2 and 3, as you can see here. Now I'm going to show you how can you add a picture in your documents. So it is very easy to put a picture in your Microsoft Word. So you have to go up here in insert, then press pictures. Then you press this device, or if you want stock stock images or online pictures, but I'm going to use this device, so I'm going to put a picture that is already in my laptop. So I'm going to look for a picture, and so you can see I put a picture in my document, and you can adjust it just by pressing this here, or by just adjust. You can adjust it, and if you want to put if you want, and as you can see here down, we can adjust the, you can zoom it and zoom out. So I'm going to zoom out a bit, so I can see the page more. So as you can see, I cannot move the picture, I only move it through pages. If you press here the layout option, you can see different option here. Okay, if we press, let me choose this, I press this one. Okay, now I can move it anywhere I want, and if I show you the difference, I chose this one, I chose tight can go in everywhere in the word or text or paragraph. And if I choose this one is top and bottom. If I choose top and bottom, the picture will never merge with the text. It will only go in between, or up or down. The text will remain the same, but the picture can go anywhere. Right, let's put it this, and let's just, and now if you want more design of your document to make it more pretty, you can go on design up here, you press on design, and you get different type of design that Microsoft will give you. So let's just press one, like this one. As you can see, it changed everything, but I'm not going to use a theme, so I'm going to just undo it. And if you want, you can, to make some designs or scribble, we can just go on draw and just scribble everywhere, just for an artistic view. So you can undo it, or you can erase it, it's up to you. And now I'm going to show you, if you have wrote many things and you don't want to read it, you can Microsoft Word give you the help. It help you to read it for you. It can read it for you. For example, let me show you. So I click on this word right here, and you can see that there is read aloud. I press on read aloud, then
My
I press
surname
play.
is Jagu. I am going to the shop.
As you can see, and here it has read it for you. If you have wrote many things, you can just read aloud, and then it's going to read for you. So if you have wrote a document and you want it personal, and you don't want nobody to copy that same document that you wrote there, you can put a watermark. How you put a watermark? Like you see here, there is a watermark, do not copy. How did I do that? So you go on layout, I'm sorry, on design, on design, you press on design, then you go on watermark. You press on watermark, and you can choose whatever you want. Then if you don't want this, do not copy, you can customize your watermark. So I'm gonna custom as a text. I'm going to put it okay. My text going to be this. As the color, let me change it to black, and let me change the fonts to Comic Sans. Let's apply it. Now as you can see, it has changed. and this will make it more personal to you. Nobody will if somebody took a screenshot of it, they will see this behind and know that it is not their document. Now if you have done everything, you have wrote your documents or book or anything, your essays, and you want to save it in a document, you can go on file here, you press on file and then save as. So you already done all your work, then you want to save it to or if you want to check it later or something else and you want to put it in a document, we go on file, we save as, enter a name, let's put it new property again, then we change if you want you can change it, if you don't want you cannot change it, but I will show you how you change the file. So you press here, up here, then we can put it in a document. So I'm going to put it in document here, in document, and then I'm going to save it. So let's go on documents. As you can see, new property is here, right here. And now I'm going to show you how you can export it and send it to a friend, or if you want to put it in a hard drive or you want to share it to your phone. So I'm going to show you that right now. So we go on file here again on the corner, up here, then we export here, and then create PDF XPS document. Okay, create PDF XPS document. As you see here, it is in document. My file name is new property, and it's going to save as PDF type. So now we're going to publish it, and as you can see, the file has been saved as a PDF. So if you have wrote something and if you have wrote a document and you have put it in your own perspective, you have put your own watermark, and you want it to be in a PDF style, you can save it like this.